Greetings everybody and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to set up Shopify subscription model. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. To do that, you're gonna head over to your app store from the top, search bar and search in here for subscription. Eventually, once you do that, search that in your app store, not in the help center, and wait for a couple of seconds until they load up. So we have this Shopify subscription app which is having a free plan, or what you can do is you can use Order Groove that have subscription model as well, and you can see we can incorporate subscription on different products. You can see we have various different type of UIs here to incorporate and excite subscribers with new products and stuff like that. So that is pretty much it for this video, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.